Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Understanding if your C-wire or common wire has power is crucial for troubleshooting smart thermostats, ensuring continuous power to your HVAC accessories, or simply verifying proper system operation. The C-wire provides a continuous 24-volt AC return path to the transformer, essential for devices that require constant power. Before you touch anything within your HVAC system, the absolute first and most critical step is to shut off power to your furnace or air handler at the main circuit breaker panel. This is a non-negotiable safety measure to prevent electrical shock or damage to your equipment. Confirm that the system is completely de-energized. You can try turning on the thermostat to see if anything responds. It shouldn't. Once power is confirmed off, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a digital multimeter, which is a versatile electrical testing device. Set your multimeter to measure AC voltage, VAC, typically in the 200V range, or use the auto-ranging feature if available. You might also need a screwdriver to remove any access panels. Next, locate your furnace or air handler. The C-wire connection point is usually found on the control board inside this unit. Carefully remove the cover panel to expose the wiring terminals. On the control board, you'll see various terminals labeled with letters like R for power, often red wire, G for fan, green wire, Y for cooling, yellow wire, W for heating, white wire, and crucially, C for common, often blue wire, but wire color isn't always definitive. Once you've identified the C terminal and the R terminal, sometimes labeled RH for heating or RC for cooling, but they generally serve as the 24V power source, you're ready to perform the test. With your multimeter set to AC voltage, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Now, carefully touch one probe of your multimeter to the C terminal and the other probe to the R or RH/RC terminal. Be careful not to short any terminals with your probes. Observe the reading on your multimeter's display. A healthy C-wire circuit should show a voltage reading between 24 and 28 VAC. This reading confirms that your C-wire is indeed receiving power from the transformer and completing the circuit back to the R terminal. If your multimeter shows 0 or a very low reading, e.g., less than 20 VAC, it means there's no power on the C-wire. In this scenario, you'll need to troubleshoot further. First, double-check that the C-wire is securely connected at both the control board and your thermostat. If applicable, a loose connection is a common culprit. You might also check for a blown fuse on the control board itself, as some boards have a small automotive-style fuse that protects the low-voltage transformer. If the fuse is good and connections are solid, the issue could be with the transformer itself, which would require professional diagnosis and replacement. Testing your C-wire for power is a straightforward process that empowers you to diagnose common HVAC electrical issues confidently. Always remember to prioritize safety by shutting off power before beginning any work. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more helpful home maintenance tips.